Hello everyone, I'm Dilasha Kharel and welcome to Feel and Believe Tarot. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe the channel and join the family. Also hit the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. I also offer personal readings, so if you'd like to contact me for personal readings, then you can check the description box below for my mail ID, and also you can contact me on my Instagram page. The link to my Instagram page is also in the description box. Now, this is a general reading, so the messages may or may not resonate with you. Take what resonate and leave the rest. So, today's reading is about the September monthly prediction for the zodiac sign of Virgo. So, yes, let's see, Virgo, what angels have in store for you for the upcoming month of September. So, first of all, Virgo, uh, yes, because as it could be for some of you, it's your birth month. So, first of all, happy birthday, Virgo. Now, we will see what messages we have from the romance angels. Oh, sorry, the angels' answers later, and of course, from the romance angels as well later. We will look into the messages later. First, let's start with the tarot deck. So, Virgo, we have for you Nine of Pentacles. Okay. Then we have Eight of Cups. Okay. Then we have the Eight of Swords. Okay. We have the Empress. Okay. We have the Strength card. We have for you the Fool card. Okay. And we have the King of Pentacles. We have the Four of Swords. We have the Justice card. And we have the Sun card. Okay. We have a lot of cards. Actually, a lot of card pops out in your reading. So, I have to take that. Yes. So, okay. There's Sun card, there is Empress, Nine of Pentacles, Fool, Strength. Okay. So, Virgo, the month of September, your birth month, for some of you, your birth month, yes, it looks really great for you people. Yes, with the Sun card as well, it looks this is a very positive card in a reading, and yes, your month ahead looks really great. There could be some little issues, but overall it looks a beautiful energy and a beautiful yes, beautiful cards as well. So yes, let's start. Okay, Virgo, if you notice that, yes, so the first thing I notice in your reading is the 888. Okay, that's an angel number, that's a divine number. So I think everything is going to fall into place, and there is going to be a balance in your life in the upcoming month of September. Angels, they are watching over you and they are guiding you with the Strength card as well. Yes, angels, they are looking you, they are guiding you. Yes, and wow, the divine number 888. So okay, so Virgo, what I feel is that for you in the upcoming month is, so the female energy, for those of you, my viewers, who are female, I think you people are very beautiful. And for those of you, uh, the male who is watching this video, and if you are in a relationship right now, then your female partner, she is very beautiful person. And okay, so Virgo, uh, for those of you who are female, and also yes, you could be a male as well, but I think most of my female viewers, like, you people are really focused in your career. Yes, the female energy is very much focused in her career. And also, uh, I feel that uh, you people, yes, as a general, you people are enjoying the fruits of your labor. You people are enjoying, the wealth, the luxurious life. You have got that financial stability. You are financially very sound. You are going to be very sound in the upcoming month of September. Yes, I feel that maybe you could have worked really hard in the recent past, and you have achieved this success through your hard work. You have really achieved that financial wealth and that financial stability. And also, I feel that in the upcoming month of September, you people are going to feel a sense of freedom as well. Yes, because right now you could feel stuck in a situation and you cannot see any clarity over things. But in the upcoming month of September, you are going to feel that freedom within you as well. Also, uh, I can see, a lot of things are going on and a lot of things is happening in your life. And you know in the month of September, yes, a lot of things is going on, and perhaps you need to rest and relax, and yes, do some meditation as well. uh, you need to do some self reflection as well. Yes, and yes, we have the balance card as well here, the justice card, the sign of the balance, and we have the divine number 888, which is also the triple eight, which is also about balance. So I really love how cards just synchronize with each other. Yes, your month ahead looks really, really positive and really wonderful. I think you people are really going to rise and shine in the month of September. Uh, yes, as I told you earlier, there is going to be financial stability, and you are going to have everything you wanted. Yes, I think for some of you, uh, you know, you could move into a new house, or you could buy a new house as well. You could move into a new property. Yes, and there is a fresh new start for you. For some of you at work also, you could start something of your own. Yes, uh, and I also feel that a lot of people are, just talking a lot about you. A lot of people are judging you, but you need to learn to ignore them, and you need to acknowledge your inner power. You need to know your inner power, that you have what it takes to achieve that success. Yes, and you need to, you know, have that self confidence within you and ignore other people's drama. Yes, and yes, there are new paths and opportunities opening up for you. And also, uh, yes, I feel that you need to take that path which your heart leads you to. Yes, and just ignore the people drama who tries, who try to bring you down, and you know, just try to bring that negativity into your life. You need to avoid those people as well. Yes, uh, because yes, you have a really bright future in the month of September, and you are really going to rise and shine. And you are, of course, going to enjoy uh, all the wealth, that financial stability that you have created. You could be moving into a new house and enjoying what you have acquired. Yes, you could just sit on your garden and just doing that, you are just relaxing and letting go of all that hard work, the burden of all that hard work that you have done in your recent past. Yes, and of course, I can feel that in the month of September you are going to be carefree and relaxed as well. And yes, of course, you have done so much of hard work in the recent past, so you need to relax because, of course, in the month of September as well, there's a lot of things going on. For some of you, you could sign some legal or documents, some legal papers. Uh, yes, it could be related with your work, some projects at work, or uh, some paper or documents related to your new home, or yes, um, because financially you people are going to be very stable. Yes, and yes, there are new opportunities, new paths opening up for you. And for those of you who are single in the month of September, yes, there is a new, you know, fresh new start for you, and your life is going to improve. If you have been emotionally dissatisfied, and if you have walked away from your past recently, and if you might have feel trapped and emotionally, you know just bounded by some situation, and you are not really happy to just let go of that past, then yes, the angels are guiding you that you need to move away from your past, and just don't think too much and don't stay too much in your head, and let go of it and realize your inner strength and tap into this beautiful energy and embrace yourself, love yourself, just value yourself, treat yourself well. And once you start treating yourself well, then once you start feeling good about yourself, then new paths are going to open up for you, and you are going to then meet your special person, and then you are going to feel relaxed. The balance is coming in your life, and yes, you have a bright future. So for those of you who are single right now, or could be in an unhealthy relationship, I feel that you need to let go of that that unhealthy attachment which is no longer serving you, and realize your inner power, and welcome that change that is coming up for you, that angels are giving you, that opportunity that is coming in your life. Yes, and also, yes, because you are really I could feel that you are emotionally very dissatisfied, and you need to heal yourself. uh, And yes, as I told you earlier, there are changes ahead. Yes, and changes in a very positive way. Yes, a very fresh new start, a fresh hope is ahead of you, Virgo, in the month of September. So just welcome that change and be ready to receive the blessings and the guidance and the love that angels are going to bless you with in the month of September. And do not be scared of the changes that are ahead, because you know things look really great. And also change your perspective at how you look at things. uh, yes, because your month ahead looks really great. Just move yourself out of that past, out of that negative energy, and realize your own power. Realize, love yourself, start loving yourself, have that self love. And someone is, yes, definitely going to come into your life who is going to value you, and there that relationship is going to be very fair and honest. And you could feel that suddenly your life is just shining like the bright sun. Yes, uh, yes, I don't feel anything negative, because everything is just so wonderful going to happen in the month of September. Yes. And also, for those of you who are married or is is planning for a baby, yes, you could be pregnant as well. There is a lot of chance for pregnancy. Yes. uh, yes, in work, in career, financially, your life looks really great. And yes, yes, all you need to do is realize your inner power, have that confidence. And once you start doing that, everything positive start happening to you. Like they say, like attracts like. Yes, you need to uh, tap into that energy. And yes, you are going to rise and shine and enter into a period of prosperity. And just don't worry about the changes that are ahead, because yes, angels, they are watching over you, and everything is happening for your own highest good, Virgo. Yes, uh, just stay relaxed throughout the process and leave everything to the angels. Just have faith with them, just trust your angels. And yes, there are happy times ahead. um, and yes, you know uh, you need to spend some time with yourself as well, because as you spend your time with yourself, you could get the answers you are seeking, and also that is going to benefit your love life as well, because financially at work everything looks just great. uh, I can only feel that emotionally and in your love life, a little, there are just a little issues, because you are not letting go of your past. So, or your current relationship, if there is any issues, then just do some reflection, spend time on your own, and try to find out the reason and just let it go. And then embrace the changes. And yes, tap into this beautiful energy, as you have a very good times ahead. Yes, very beautiful energy. Now, let's see what messages we have for you from the romance angels. So, from the romance angels, we have for you, express your love. Go ahead and make the romantic gesture. Okay, you need to express your love to your partner. Okay, Yes, don't just keep your feelings within yourself. If you express your love and be clear about your feelings with the one you love, then yes, your relationship is, of course, going to improve. Release your ex. See, I told you, Virgo, that you need to release your ex, you need to let go of your past. And once you move out of that energy, and once you realize your own self love, your own value, then yes, there are going to be fresh new start, and lots of new opportunities are going to come up in your life, and your life is really going to rise and shine, because there are uh, positive things ahead and true love. Okay, this is the romance of a lifetime. See, I told you, uh, you need to let go of your past, that unhealthy attachment that is not serving you. Once you release that, and you are going to find your true love, and this is the romance of a lifetime, and angels are watching over you here as well. So this person who is going to come into your life, that is going to be your true love. And for those of you who are in a relationship, it doesn't necessarily have to be that you need to walk away from them. Sometimes you need to just withdraw yourself from them and spend some time doing your own self reflection, like what do you need to improve in order for you to strengthen your relationship. Maybe you need to express your love, maybe you need to just make them known about your feelings and release those negative energies that is not serving in your that is not serving, and that is not helping your love life. Once you release that energy as well, maybe your love life could improve. And also realize that if you are in a relationship with someone and there are chances of, yes, signs of improving it, then realize that that person is your true love. And if that love is really that relationship is really unhealthy, feels toxic to you, then yes, angels are guiding you to release that past, and yes, someone new is coming to your life, and that is going to be your true love. So yes, you need to think and decide that. So let's see what messages and what guidance we have from the angel's answer for you. So from the angel's answer, we have, wow, big happy changes, and we have the sun card as well. So yes, Virgo, the September month of September looks really wonderful for you. Yes, and trust. Okay, so big happy changes. Yes, the month ahead looks really good, and you are going to rise and shine. There are going to be big happy changes in your life, in at your work, and in your love life as well, in your personal life as well. You are going to find that inner peace as well. And for some of you, I feel that you could you know big happy changes, like you could buy a new home, you could move into a new place as well. Yes, and just don't fear the changes that are ahead, and just embrace everything that divine is, the angels are giving you. Yes, welcome the changes that is coming forth for you with an open heart, with an open mind, with a positive mind, and trust. Yes, trust the angels, trust the divine, the universe. Yes, that everything is going to work for your highest good, that everything is happening for your highest good. And also trust your inner voice, your inner guidance. Yes, because that is also because your inner guidance is the answers that angels are talking with you, that angels are letting you know what you need to do ahead for you to solve any issues that you have in your life. Trust your inner guidance and have faith in the angels, in God as well. Yes, and just know that uh, happy times are ahead. You are going to rise and shine. You are entering into a period of prosperity, and there are paths of new opportunities. Some of you could open something of your own as well in business. Yes, that is also very possible. Yes, just trust yourself and your inner power, and you can achieve anything. And remember, you have everything what it takes to be successful. And also, uh, stay a little light-hearted and let go of any negative energy as well. If needed, go out in nature, spend some time in nature as well. Maybe that could also help you let go of any negative energies from your life. Yes, so that was all for you, Virgo. Yes, I hope that the messages resonated with you, and I hope you like my reading. If you like my reading, then please do like this video and also share this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel, because it somehow helps our energies to get connected, and I can give you more accurate messages and the guidance that you need to hear from the angels. So yes, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe. Also, you can follow me on Instagram. I also keep updating and posting our weekly readings and other stuffs there as well, so you can follow me on my Instagram page as well. And yes, do subscribe to my channel. So yes, that was all, and a really beautiful reading, Virgo. So yes, I hope you all have a great month ahead, and yes, may angels always bless you all. I hope you all have a good day as well. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next video.